Brian
Japan.
Little.
Okay, let's open these mirrors up. Looks like we got two mirror base plates and a nice shiny ABS plastic. And it's definitely a stylish mirror. What's cool about these is you can keep them in this shiny black, or you can color match them. They don't look bad either way. Silver screws connect the backing plate to the actual mirror. So you see how it's two pieces? 1, 2, 3. And the gold guys, 1, 2, 3, but on the car.
Brian Little.
Yoga.
You have it. If you have 5 minutes and want a sweet looking mirror, there you go. The reason I like these mirrors out of any other mirror is they're super cheap. Imagine if I just hit a wall with my $600 mirrors that are super rare that you can't just buy off the market. So if you have a drift car, I think these are the best mirrors you can go with.